lang tayo. He had a picture with Julia, pero ang pinapalabas lang niya yung picture niya with the bride and the groom. And then, his mother had a proper photo with Jean, and then he also had a photo with his kids with me, okay? After which, it was the mother of the bride with a couple, and then mother of the bride with my children, all 5 children, and then mother of the bride with my family. Pareho lang tayo, patas tayo, Dennis. Wala tayong lamangan doon.
So, yung mami daw ni Dennis ay umiiyak.
Yes.
O, ano man totoo doon?
So I asked the wedding coordinator. Iyak daw ng iyak. Jean, ikaw yata nagsabi nito. Jennifer Padilla. Itong mga to grabe yung pinagdaanan ng mga anak ko dahil hindi nila ginagamit ang Valdivia. Pero Jean, bakit ka Padilla? Hindi kayo Padilla. Ikaw, Jennifer Valdivia, kapatid ni Dennis. Ba't Padilla ginagamit mo sa Facebook? Hindi ka artista. You are a Valdivia, right? Hindi nyo ginagamit pero kinikriticize nyo yung mga anak ko. Grabe yung sinabi nila. Inapi yung nanay. Hindi pinaupo yung nanay. She was seated separately from Dennis and Jean. Because Dennis and Jean had their own world. Okay? My Mama Lina, I want to call her ex-mother-in-law because I respect her. Mama Lina, according to the coordinator I asked kanina, was seated properly. Sabi niyo iyak ng iyak, na insulto, awang-awa sa inyo, Dennis. She didn't cry at all. You wouldn't know. You did not even sit beside your mother. And then, I will show you a picture to prove to you, Aji, na hindi sila inape. After the picture of Dennis with the bride and the groom and Mama Lina and Jean, nakikita kong pababa. Ako yung front, di ba? Bababa si Dennis, inaakay niya, nahirapan si Mama maglakad. Si Dennis nasa kanan, I took her by the left. I met her halfway through the stairs of the altar. And I walked with Mama para bigyan ng respeto si Mama. Kasi yun ang time na nakita ko siya Di ba? She was so happy to see me. Hindi mugto ang mata ng mother-in-law ko. She was kissing me, I was kissing her, and I was hugging her. She was hugging me. Marjorie! Sabi niya, magkaganda-ganda mo pa rin. Na-miss na kita. Saan yung sinasabi niyong inapi yung nanay ninyo?